Seats, Spark, seats.
This is, mark my words, lift up now. To that hollow in your chest, breathes cold unto the anchorage, down, 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 now. Feel that ache in every inch of your heart breaks. Through the storm I give you strength until those tides are turned. Call on me and I'll be there. Mark my words. Brother, when you feel that ache in every inch of your heart breaks, through the storm I give you strength until those tides are turned. Call on me and I'll be there. Mark my words. So sweet. When you feel that ache in every inch of your heart break, through the storm I give you strength until those tides are turned. And even after all these years, through the fight and through draw you near until those tides are turned. Call on me and I'll be there. Mark my words. I want to say thanks to Mike for letting us be a part of this.